If you are looking to stop recurring charges on your PlayStation account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you won't be billed unexpectedly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console through the PlayStation website. Make sure you use the account that has the subscriptions you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings. On your console, this can usually be found in the main menu under settings. On the website, look for your profile icon and select account settings. Step 3. Access subscriptions. In the account settings menu, find the subscriptions option. This section will list all active subscriptions linked to your account, including PlayStation Plus and any other services. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Choose the subscription you want to stop from the list. Click on it to view more details, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the subscription. Confirm your choice when prompted. You should receive a confirmation that your subscription has been cancelled, and you will not be charged again. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on your PlayStation account. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that no unwanted subscriptions are active.